Okay? Now, first one, alpha, we use for what? To denote is a probability of making type 1 error, or you say the significant level of a test. Okay? And what's the probability of making type 1 error? This is a notation we used in the past. We say, under the assumption that H naught is true, how likely you reject H naught or we reject H naught. Okay? This is alpha. Alpha is the probability of make what? Type 1 error. Now, type 1 error is a mistake. Type 2 error is also a mistake, right? So what's a type 2 error? Well, we say under the assumption that H naught is what? False. We fail to reject H naught. Of course, that's a mistake, right? When this is false, we should have H naught rejected, right? But we fail to reject H naught, that's called type 2 error. Probability of making type 2 error is called what? Beta. Beta is what? Probability of making type 2 error. Now let's look at these remarks. 1 minus probability A given B, this conditional probability. Is that equal to probability given B? What is the probability of A complement? Or given B complement? What's the probability of A? Among these two, which one is correct? Let's see, okay? This one relates to the video I post online, okay? Among these two, which is the correct one? Which one is correct? Look at here. 1 minus probability A given B is, well, what's the probability A given B? Is probability A and B divided by PB. This is the definition of the conditional probability, right? Probability A given B. For that, we change our 1 into PB over PB. I want to make this one consistent with this one here. The same denominator, okay? Now, we combine them together. So this one will become PB minus what? PB minus PA given B, okay? And divided by PB. But what is B, probability B minus probability A and B? I think this one relates to a video. Probability 1 video. Let's look at this picture here, okay? Let's look at this picture here. From YouTube video, probability 1, about Venn diagram. I think this is the third of the 4 pictures in the video, right? About Venn diagram. If this is A, this is B. How are you going to denote the shady area? You say this is B, the whole B, but you take what? The common part away, A and B away, okay? And also in the video, I say convince yourself this is what? B and A complement, okay? And A complement. In your final exam, there are many questions from what? YouTube video, okay? Like this one here. And this is from B, you take out the common part A and B. From B, you take out what? The common part A and B. From B, you take out what? A and B. That is the same thing to say what? It's B and A complement. Look at here. From B, you take what? A and B away. So this one will be B and A complement divided by PB. But by definition, this is nothing but what? Probability given B, what's the chance that A complement happens? So, look at here. Huh? 1 minus P A given B is this one here, not this one. Okay? Is this one here, not this one. If I call this is A, fail to reject H naught is A, my B is under H naught is true. So 1 minus probability A given B, what is that? Huh? 1 minus beta is equal to 1 minus what? Probability of making type 2 error. And what's the probability of making type 2 error? Under H naught is false, we fail to reject H naught. And 1 minus this probability is we take complement of this one. Fail to reject H naught, change to what? We reject H naught. Look at here. Under the assumption that H naught is false, or when H naught is false, reject H naught is good or bad? Good, right? When H naught is not true, we should have H naught rejected. If this probability is big, that means the test is what? Powerful. For that, we call this is the power of the test. Is that okay? Let me try one more time. Under the assumption that H0 is false, we should have H0 rejected. If this probability is big, that means the test is what? Powerful. So we call this is what? Power of the test. Is that okay?